So today is about to rain again. Big storm's coming through. So not going to go and check on other bees that might be being born. We got a roach on the side of the box. So not a day to go in. Maybe tomorrow. The gathering for foragers was kind of mismatched. They're inside chewing on the sugar candy, so I get the feeling the foragers aren't out because of the weather, but the pollen collectors are coming back, and some of it's coming in these huge light yellow pollen pellets on their legs. It's just comically large. So we have the what I think is dandelion, and for the fact that maybe the nectar's being washed out of the flowers, the pollen, this makes it a better day for collecting this one type of pollen, and I'm hoping that I'll get a picture of somebody coming in with those huge pellets. But just a surprise that the worst day weather-wise can be the best day for pollen, I guess, when they need it. And dampness helps, or for this particular plant that I don't know what it is, the water is washing the pollen out to a point that they can get it. And of course nobody comes in with any sort of pollen of the type I'm describing while I'm standing in front of the door. I'm like, why are you standing in front of the door? Directly in front of the hive. We're gonna ping you in the head. And then the rain's gonna start, so there we go. There was one. I don't know how well that was seen. But that wasn't even the largest patty I'd seen brought in on legs, so that the word is out. Between this light yellow and the orangey dandelion stuff, there's certainly more pollen going on, and they're up eating the sugar instead, so I guess that makes it a day where there's not much going on because of the water washing stuff out.
Bye.